If you step 1 foot, one fucking stupid-ass simian toe in the water, anywhere, an ocean, a stream, a fucking puddle, on God, son, you're dead. We're gonna kill you!
Shit, I'm so sorry. Fuck. Stay away from me. Say her name. I'm sorry. Oh shit.
Hold your back every time people laughed at how stupid you were. How your powers are a joke. You've been crying. No.
This isn't about me.
Of course it is! I used to have it all. No power, respect. For all the bad she started when you showed up. I lost everything.